super excited to be here in the Philippines. Hello. Hi, for Smart.
Yes,
I'm here for 30 days.
30 days. We have here unlimited data, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Which one is the most popular
This
one?
one.
Unlimited data.
Yeah, that's the best seller.
I'll do that one.
The
that
first one.
Yeah,
Your
thank
phone,
you.
ma'am?
Dito.
Ano, ma'am?
Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I didn't know it's raining.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh man, I heard the thunder. Is it raining all month or week?
It's almost 2 weeks.
Oh man.
Maybe tomorrow it's sunny day.
Okay, when is rainy season here? Oh,
July.
I can push. I can do it for you.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. July is rainy season.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Here in Philippines.
Oh.
But
I
tomorrow,
should have known that.
maybe tomorrow.
Oh, on and off.
Gusto yung LTE ko?
Are you here for vacation here in Philippines, ma'am?
Just for YouTube travel vlogging.
Wow.
Vlogger.
Is it possible to get like pick my number or it's?
Your
Yes,
WhatsApp
ma'am.
number, ma'am, no need to change. Just keep your number.
Oh, I mean the SIM card number or
May SIM
it's
card ka
random.
na, ma'am?
It's random, ma'am.
Load na lang.
Oh, okay.
Ang load natin, ma'am, 500 lang.
I'll take your international SIM card.
Okay,
Pwede naman
thank
siya i-register
you.
ng 1 week.
Ma'am, we wait for it ba?
Load ako.
Please unlock, ma'am.
Okay.
Yan.
Oh, so quick.
Ma'am,
Number, ma'am?
you can keep that.
Paano ko malaman yung mga...
Ano, para i-register ko na rin for 1 week. Calling and texting, ma'am, kailangan din.
Okay, ma'am. You have unlimited data.
Okay.
The validity is 30 days from now. Then you have some calling also here in Philippines.
Wow,
You can call
okay.
all local number in Philippines.
Nice. So unlimited meaning hotspot too to my laptop?
Yes, ma'am. You
Oh,
can do
wow. That's
that.
good.
No limit internet.
Nice.
Ma'am, this one, ma'am. The date.
Whoa.
It's all good. It's now 5G.
That was so quick.
Yes.
Okay. Thank
All
you so
good.
much.
Saan yung SIM, ma'am?
Oh, yeah.
need to register,
I have to pay. I have to pay first. Can I do card?
Yes, ma'am. And 1,500, ma'am.
Okay.
All good.
Attention all passengers, Pagasa Lipier, Alating Airport at 1:38 this afternoon.
Here's your seat.
Thank you so
Thank you so much, ma'am.
much. Have
Enjoy
a nice
stay.
day.